guys, I'm gonna do my makeup today. Getting ready because the Eagles are playing. So I'm just trying to look cute for the game. Using the MAC Strobe cream. I already moisturized because my skin hella dry. So I'm just taking that with a beauty blender and just putting it all over my face. Yo, I am ugly AF. I'm using the Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. Guys, you need this in your life. So good. Oh, I got my stash. And I'm using the color Honey. And it's literally a perfect match. Usually I like going in with a darker foundation and then I'll just highlight a lot because I'd rather be tan AF. So that's cute or whatever. Next, I am going to use, this is a lot, but whatever, the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer and the Colourpop, what are these called, No Filter Concealers. So we're going to put the light one first, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Then we're going to use the Sculpting one. And, okay. So then we gonna blend away. Oh hell no! Oh, dog got dirty. Guys, this is my favorite. It's from the drugstore. It's by Wet n Wild. The Mega Glow Makeup Stick, the contour in the color. Where's Walnut? Guys, my temples, my cheekbones. Guys, if you want your lips to look bigger, you have to contour the bottom of your lips like this. That's on Instagram. My lips be looking popping. That's what it is. The bottom of my nose, the side. And then I'm going to take, I love this one. Truffle by the Matchstick by, what is this? Fenty. Super dark. Then we're going to blend again. And make sure you blend it into your hairline so that you don't look freaking, what is it called? Matte pale in your hairline, and then you're like super tan on your forehead. Because then they're going to be like, these bitches going to be clocking you, sis. And when you're blending your contour, make sure you blend it up because sometimes by mistake you might blend it down and it might look like you have a freaking beard. But I'll teach you how to fix that. Okay, I think we're good. We're good. Then I am going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and this is in the color Light Medium. So then we're gonna put some on our sponge. Because I'm super oily, so I like to do this. You see how smooth it makes like my under eye? Like look at the difference. Beautiful! And then guys, so I just told you how if you blend it underneath, like it'll look like you have a beard. So what you do is with your setting powder, you carve it out real quick. And you see, perfect contour. Just make sure. Now we are going to contour and bronze our face. Okay, so we're gonna take, I like the Physicians Formula, this is called Butter Bronzer, and I like the color Deep Bronzer. Oh, today we're just gonna bronze on with this one. So. Then we are going to contour our nose because I'm obsessed with my nose. I don't have this weird obsession with my nose. And we are going to use the Benefit Hoola bronzer. And I'm taking this Morphe E13 brush. First, we're gonna contour the bottom of our lip. So it'll make a shadow, so it'll make it look like you got big lips or whatever. Now we're gonna put some on the bottom of our nose. And then I like connecting it from my eyebrow, going down. So it all looks seamlessly. See, look, gosh! Cute or whatever. We are going to, bronze up our face, and we are going to use, this is a limited edition, so I don't think they sell it anymore. It's the Jaclyn Hill and Becca collaboration. I'm gonna just use a little bit of all three, tap, and you're gonna start off up here and work your way down. And I always like putting my blush on my nose and my chin. So we're gonna take a highlighting brush. This is my highlighting brush. It's the Morphe B81. And you're just gonna take a little, dust it off, and put it on the top of your cheeks. Bridge of our nose. The tip of our nose. Our cube as well. And I like putting it like above my eyebrows. And on the eyes, we're not doing anything too crazy. I'm just going to use any blending brush. Then I'm gonna take the bronzer that I used earlier, and then I'm gonna just buff that into my crease. And I'm gonna put falsies on today. So I like using the NYX Matte liquid liner. Usually I like starting off at the front, and I just like doing one line. I think I just did two completely different wings, but whatever. Now we're gonna do our lip liner. Okay, so I use these three. This is the NYX Suede lip liner, matte lip liner, and this is in the color Soft Spoken. So we're just gonna line our lips. We're gonna go in with the darker one. This one is by Makeup Forever, the Artist Color Pencil in the color Universal Earth 708. And now we are just going to overline our lips with this dark one. Line it a little. Like that. And then we're gonna fill in the edges. We're gonna take MAC Faux lipstick and just fill in the middle. And then with the, you don't have to do this part, I just like blending it in with this one. This is the same Makeup Forever, but in the color Full Scale Rust in 706. And this is just more to like blend it. Then once that's done, I put our lashes on because I think they already got dry.
Sorry if I don't pick up. I was off that 42 and yeah, I'm still fucked up. I'm just like you, you're just like me, and they're all just like us. I was only 13, Aki's let me buy my Dutch. I need that dearest, about to go and get that Lambo truck. Skirt off, try to murder, stay might get murked first. I got a fox up in my coat, and they got real fox fur. It's 5 a.m. and I've been drinking, so my words might slur. Yeah.
And that is the finished look. And you could put a little bit of setting spray. I'll put some on because my face has been dry lately. Let it dry. And guys, we are done. That's the finished look. See you guys.